right, guys, for our at-home activity, we have a really fun science experiment with things that you definitely have at your house. So, I got my little Tupperware and some salt, whatever kind of salt you guys have. You can use it in your salt shaker. In fact, I would recommend using it in your salt shaker because it controls the amount that comes out. But what you're going to do is you're going to take a bowl or a Tupperware or a cup or whatever kind of container, and you're going to fill it with water. And then you're going to put it in the freezer until it's frozen. So you might need to make this ready today and then do the activity tomorrow. So I filled this Tupperware with water, and I'm just going to dump it out onto my tray here. So I've got a big hunk of ice. Okay, and now what you're going to do is just give your kids some salt and let them explore with what happens when the salt touches the ice. Okay, like I said, if you have a salt shaker, you might want to give them the salt shaker because it makes it not come out quite as fast. If not, you can pour some in a bowl and have them sprinkle it, whatever you'd like. So yeah, they're just going to take the ice or the salt and they're going to sprinkle it on the ice and kind of watch and see what happens when the salt and the ice react to each other. I'm not going to say what happens because I don't want the kids to be listening and to ruin the experiment. But all the grown-ups probably know what happens when salt and ice meet. So yeah, this is a super fun science experiment. And you guys can talk about why they think that happened and maybe about how they use salt to treat roads when it's icy outside. So anyway, I hope you guys have fun with this science experiment, experimenting with ice and salt. Have fun, guys.